What's up, people? Kedrick here. We're going to do an unboxing of the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation. Let's get right to it. And again, just like last time, I ordered this through Verizon. Here we have it, iPad Pro 11-inch. Your classic iPad packaging. Have the pull tab here for easy unboxing. A lot of other companies should start doing that. Alright, so I did an unboxing of the 12.9 inch, so I'm assuming this is going to be pretty similar to it, but just for those who are interested in buying this and wants to know what comes with it, I got you covered. So first you present it with the actual iPad. Now this is, so the other one is 12.9 and this is 11, but it seems like a lot smaller than the 12.9. This one is the gray or silver, I think they call this. The other one I have is the space gray, so it's a darker shade of gray. Let's set that to the side, see what we get in the box. Of course, you get your instruction manual with your Apple stickers. Go have fun with those, put them somewhere. And then you get your USB Type-C to Type-C cable and your power brick. All right, let's get to the actual iPad. So this is the, see now, I think this actually is a lot better to actually hold in your hand, because the iPad 12 is kind of awkward to actually hold. Now if you're putting it on a desk and you're like consuming content, then the iPad 12.9 is great, but actually holding this feels a lot more comfortable in the hand. So of course you have the no home button, the all thin bezels, have your cameras up top. And the new thing on the back is you have the dual camera setup with the LiDAR sensor. And it also has this 3-pin connector, which you use to connect it to the, the smart keyboard case. So let's power it on. Your power button is on the top right. You got 2 speakers on the bottom, 2 speakers on the top. And if this sounds anything like the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the speakers are very good. Alright, so there we go. I had to plug her up to get her going. So this one uses the USB Type-C, which is nice. Like I said, it has the dual speakers on the top and dual speakers on the bottom. I'm not really going to get too much into the setup because I'll have another video for that, but let me give you a comparison of this versus the 12.9 inch. Okay, so this is the 12.9 inch. Move this out the way. That's the 12.9 inch, and this is the 11 inch. So you can see the difference in the size. It's a lot more than I actually thought it was. I didn't think it was going to be this much of a difference for 2 inches, but I guess so. So another thing, I highly recommend the screen protector that gives you the matte finish. I see a lot of people advertising the paper-like, but this is just one I got off of Amazon. So very nice, especially if you're going to be using the Apple Pencil. And another thing is, if you look here, it has a wireless charger for your Apple Pencil, and it magnetizes to the top to keep you from losing it. So this is going to be the end of this video. If you like content like this, please drop us a like, and please think about subscribing. We'll have links to all these products down in the description if you want to check them out for current pricing. See you next time. Thanks for watching.